Greetings guys, and welcome to an updated guide on BlizzardBoard, an app that you can use to theme iOS 15 without a jailbreak. This app is completely free and it is freely available from its official GitHub page. Also, all the versions and devices supported by TrollStore are supported by BlizzardBoard. You can check out the support details in the description. Many of you reported some issues sharing or installing themes to BlizzardBoard. So we will fix the same in this video. So go to the official GitHub page of BlizzardBoard. When you scroll down, you will see two IPA options. The first one is the stable one and the other is unstable. So I will recommend that you use the stable one. If you use the stable one, you don't have any risk or chance of boot looping your device, but you will have to arrange the icons manually. The unstable one arranges your icons automatically, but there is some chance of boot looping your device. But for me, the unstable one also worked perfectly on my iPhone SE 15.3.1, so I will go with unstable one in this video. Yes, of course, the installation method and the theme installation method is same for both builds, stable or unstable. Alright guys, so here is my iPhone sitting on 15.3.1. It's an iPhone SE. Also, for this tutorial, you need TrollStore installed. The installation guides are in the description for each device and version. Also, you will need Filza file manager. You can install Filza file manager by following a guide from the description. It is very easy to do. Now go to Safari and open the official GitHub page of BlizzardBoard. So I will download the unstable build because it works fine for me. So when the download is complete, now hit this find button and you will see the IPA here. Tap and hold. Now hit share. Now click TrollStore. So BlizzardBoard will be installed. Now you can add themes to it. So I will test it with a free theme from this GitHub page. So we'll test the Elite 8 theme. When the download is complete, hit this find button and you will get this zip file. Now press and hold. Now hit share and open it with Filza. Now guys, simply tap on it and you will get this folder. Now please be careful and do not just copy and paste it there. Make sure that you open the folder. If you see this Mac OS X folder, it means that you will have to copy this one. When you open it, you will see icons bundle, so you are in the right folder. Now I will simply press and hold, then hit move, go back again. You should be in var mobile and you will see this themes folder. Now hit this button to paste and now paste again. Alright, so it is done and you will see that the theme you have added is showing up here. Now you can hit enable. Now simply hit respring and when you are back, the theme is applied. Now to disable a theme, simply open Blizzboard, click on disable and respring, and when you are in, the theme is gone. Also, if you want to delete a theme, open Blizzboard, swipe and delete and remove. So this method was not working for me if I import themes with Filza. What you will have to do is open Filza again and go to var, mobile and themes, swipe, delete, OK, and now close out of Blizzboard and the theme is deleted.